I mean, these are all just bottles of plants that can do so much for us, to support our emotions and our functions in our body, and it's just amazing. Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video about Young Living's premium starter kit. It's the best way to get into oils. It's so economical, it's crazy. Norma's behind me, so if you hear strange noises, it's just a baby. So I'm going to show you everything that is included with it. I'm doing this right now for two reasons. Number one, I'm running a promo until September 4th, 2019. If you buy a premium starter kit from me before that date, I'm gonna send you a 5 ml of Christmas Spirit, which is such a good oil for the upcoming fall and of course winter season. It sells out often during Christmas season, so it's great to stock up on. It's orange, cinnamon, and black spruce, and you're gonna die. The second reason I'm doing this right now is we are coming up on fall, and that's when we want those cozy aromas in our house, and we want candles because of how they smell. But I'm telling you, like, Google the harmful effects on candles and you will be second guessing all of those fun Bath and Body Works candles. They are just really not good for us. So this is a great time to get into oils because they are not only not toxic, but to have them in the air is actually really healthy and supportive of our bodies. So the best thing about buying this kit is you get an amazing diffuser. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser. It's the best diffuser I've ever had. It is beautiful. It has a bunch of different colors and it has a candlelight feature. So it kind of flickers a warm glow, which is just so cozy. The kit is $165. This retails for I think around $80, so it's just crazy how much you save when you buy this within the kit. You get 12 oils. Here are 10 of them. The kit has been updated a little bit since I purchased this, so some of these are gonna change a little bit, but I will explain it all. The top line you'll see has this white label. That means that they are FDA approved for internal ingestion. So if you choose and you research and you're okay with that, you could put a drop in your water or tea. I put some in my sparkling water to make my own natural sparkling soda. So first we have peppermint. That is an amazingly powerful oil. I mean, these are all just bottles of plants that can do so much for us, to support our emotions and our functions in our body, and it's just amazing. So peppermint I use a lot when I feel any head tension. I'll dilute some in a carrier oil and apply it to where I feel tension. It's a very cooling oil. If I'm very hot, I'll put some on the back of my neck, and it's crazy how much that really seems to cool me down. Lemon is so fresh. I put a couple drops in my Thieves cleaner just to kind of boost it a little bit. It's great to diffuse. I find it very energizing and uplifting. Again, I put some in my soda water. Another really fun fact about lemon that's especially nice if you have kids, it takes off like sticker residue like magic. You just put a couple drops on that and that stickiness rubs off. I don't know about you, but James, when he was a toddler, would put stickers like all over our walls and all over everything, and this is a godsend. Okay, this is a fake out. It is a 5 milliliter of the Vitality of Thieves. So it looks kind of like this, but it is the Thieves blend. And Thieves is one of the best oils, and also it's pretty expensive on its own, so it's great that it comes in here. This is perfect going into this season because it is all about immunity support. It's a blend, and all of the ingredients really help keep you above the wellness line. I like to put some on the bottom of my feet every night before bed. I also do that with James because he's old enough, and it smells like Christmas. It's one of my favorite oils to diffuse in the fall and the Christmas season because it just smells amazing. And again, like, not only am I getting that great scent into my house, but it's also getting into my body and providing me immunity support at a time when lots of germs are typically going around. Next we have Digest. It is for digestive issues. It works super well. You can dilute it and rub it on your abdomen. It does not smell good. I don't think, maybe someone out there likes the way it smells. I think most of us don't. So just know that ahead of time, but it's really effective. Sometimes I'll even actually put it on the bottom of my feet because it's farther away from my nose. And then Citrus Fresh, except it's going to be the white label, so FDA approved for internal ingestion. This is a blend of a bunch of citrus oils, and it is so good. Tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, and a hint of spearmint at the end. And that's also a great one to put into your soda water. On the bottom, we have our solid colors. One of them that I don't have personally is Raven. That's a blend that, again, is so good to have at this time of the year. It's really going to help you when you feel like your respiratory system is on the decline. So you can dilute it in a carrier oil, like a coconut oil or even an olive oil, and rub it on your chest. I have something very similar to Raven, and you might have seen on my stories a couple weeks ago, I could just feel something coming, and that's one of the things I did to try my best to stay above that wellness line, and I felt really great the next day. We have frankincense, my all-time favorite oil. It is so peaceful, and I use this every morning when I meditate, and it just gets me into that prayerful, meditative mode. I use this oil every single day. It's also great for skin support. Some people will put a roller ball right on top and just rub it on their face every night before bed. It's amazing. We have Valor, which is a lot of people's all-time favorite oil. It's another pretty expensive one, and this is kind of more new to the kit. When I bought the kit, Valor didn't come with it. So Valor is a great emotional supporting oil. People call it courage in a bottle. It makes you brave, some say. I use this oil a lot on my son because he has social anxiety sometimes, so I will rub some down his spine before a track event, or definitely before the first day of school. We're going to do this year, and it just makes him feel special. We have Panaway. This is a blend that can really help with sore muscles. Wintergreen is a big oil in here, so it has that like icy hot effect, but it's not full of harsh, gross chemicals. It's all plants helping your muscles to feel better after a long run or whatever your case might be. We have lavender. Everybody loves lavender. It is just kind of the all-purpose oil. People call it the Swiss Army knife of oils. It is calming. It's also one that's great for your skin, and it's great to diffuse. I think it also blends really well with a lot of oils, so that's amazing. Peace and calming, pretty self-explanatory of that emotional support. This is another one I use a lot with my son when he is feeling kind of out of control and not calm. We'll put some of this down his spine and let him smell it, and it seems to help his system recover a little bit. Another one is Stress Away, and people say this smells like vacation in a bottle, like tropical margarita kind of a vibe. A lot of people use this as their perfume, which is so amazing because perfume, you can Google that too, is really horrible for us, horrible for our hormones. And so not only will this blend of powerful plants make us smell good and feminine and make us feel good about ourselves, but it's also helping to support us. It's actually good for us to get that into our bodies. Those are the main oils and the amazing diffuser that you're gonna get. One diffuser, 12 oils, $165. If you took everything at retail price from Young Living, it's worth over $400. So it is just amazing. Even if you bought these at cheap stores like Target or Amazon, which I don't recommend because they are not the same as Young Living. Young Living doesn't use any fillers or synthetic ingredients, and most at Target or Amazon or other places are not pure essential oils. But even if you did go the cheap route, you wouldn't be able to still get this all for $165. It is truly an amazing way to get started. You also receive a 24% discount for life. You get wholesale pricing, and you get some samples as well. So you'll get 2 sample packets of Ningxia Red. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm always drinking that with my soda water. It is a super powerful antioxidant blend of wolfberries and cherries and blueberries, and just an amazing shot of antioxidants, and I feel so great when I drink that. You'll also get a sample of Thieves Cleaner. This is the all-purpose cleaner that I use everywhere on my house, every single surface. It smells like Christmas, so that's kind of fun. It is so effective. It's healthy for you. I was at our cabin last weekend and we happened to have Mrs. Myers up there, and I think most people think Mrs. Myers is really like natural and healthy, but it's really not all that natural and healthy. But that's what we had, and so that's what I used, and I couldn't believe how toxic it smelled to me. Like, it smelled disgusting to me. Not just like that I didn't care for the scent. It smelled so chemically and gross, and I was like, I gotta bring a bottle of Thieves up here next time I go. You'll also get a sample of the Thieves hand sanitizer. I love that stuff. I have one in my diaper bag, one in my car for after I get gas, a couple in my toiletry bag, and that is just so nice to have. Hand sanitizer is another one of those things that can really mess with hormones, and so it's just nice to have a more natural option when you don't have access to a sink and soap. So that's everything you get. 12 oils, a bunch of samples, a beautiful diffuser, and actually 13 oils if you make that September 4th date, because I'm going to send you a bottle of Christmas Spirit. I also, no matter when you purchase from me, I send you the book You Are a Badass, because you are. And you'll get access to our Facebook group, which is an education group that you can ask questions and learn more about how to use these oils. And we just try to make it less intimidating, because it can be a little intimidating because there's just so much information and so many different uses. So shoot me a message, and even if you're like, I don't think I'm gonna buy, but I have a couple questions, I'm not gonna hound you. Send me some questions and I'd love to chat with you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care, mama. Bye, guys.